Welcome back to the shop, guys. Today I'm installing a POWERSTOP brake pad and rotor kit on this C5 Corvette. I've done a few of these POWERSTOP kits in the past with very good results, and so I thought I would take a moment to share it with you. But first, this is not a sponsored video. I simply decided to feature their kit because I think it's a very good option for the vast majority of C5 and C6 owners. What I like most about these rotors is that they're both drilled and slotted, which makes them look incredibly well for street use, and they've got a durable coating which lasts many years, protecting this rotor hat and the ends of the rotor from corrosion. By comparison, here is the used rotor that's coming off of this C5. It's not drilled or slotted, so this is kind of bland looking, and the hat is very dingy after several years, as well as the ends of the rotor. And second, the pads that come with this kit are very good for the street, and they're ceramic, so that means very low dust for your rims. Now, I do not have the POWERSTOP kit on my C6 or my C5 because I take both of my cars to the track several times per year, and tracking your Corvette can be extremely abusive to your brakes. That's because you're often accelerating and then decelerating and doing it over and over again, which gets them much, much hotter than they would ever see on the street, or if you're at the drag strip. Stopping pretty quickly over and over again is hard on them as well. The downsides to the rotors and pads I have on the C6 are, number one, the rotors don't look nearly as cool because they're not drilled and slotted. And this is because if you track your car often, drilled and slotted rotors do have a tendency to crack more often than ones that are not drilled and slotted. And second, the brake pads that are on the C6 are semi-metallic as opposed to carbon ceramic, and they're formulated for more extreme heat driving events. And that has two downsides. One, they squeak a lot more than I would like during regular street use, which is annoying.
Hey honey, can you look at the brakes? They sound a little funky, and the calipers look... damn it.
And two, they create a ton of dust, which means I'm constantly cleaning the rims, which gets a little old. The POWERSTOP kit that I'm installing on this C5 comes with 4 rotors, and they are directional, which means these little slots are angled correctly for which side of the car that they're on. And as I mentioned, the kit also comes with carbon ceramic brake pads, and these are formulated for performance street use. And the kit also has all new stainless steel hardware, which is great, and new rubber seals for the caliper mounting pins. While I'm at it, I'm also cleaning up the calipers and the mounting brackets and sprucing them up with a little bit of red paint. And despite what many guys might say on the internet, I can tell you firsthand, Krylon holds up just fine on calipers. I've had my C5's calipers painted for about 9+ years, and they still look great. And the C6 calipers have 2 seasons on them, and they still look great as well. Now here's some footage that I took from POWERSTOP's own website, and I've sprinkled in a little bit of footage from this C5's brake job as well.